Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 BYD SEALION 7. The automotive world is abuzz with the arrival of the 2026 BYD SEALION 7, a sleek electric SUV that combines innovative technology, striking design, and practical versatility. Crafted under the visionary eye of BYD's global design director Wolfgang, this vehicle is not just a means of transportation, it's a bold lifestyle statement. The 2026 SEALION 7 debuts with an array of cutting-edge features and a bold design inspired by oceanic elements. From its Ocean X'd front styling to its advanced blade battery technology, the SEALION 7 redefines what an electric SUV can be. 7's aerodynamic profile, low-slung bonnet, and sweeping fastback design evoke the fluidity of ocean waves. Its dual waistline enhances both style and performance. The futuristic tail lamps integrate linear light strips and water drop-inspired dots, creating a sense of movement and energy that makes this SUV stand out. A simple foot gesture opens the tailgate, making it effortless to load and unload. Customizable stopping positions and an intelligent anti-pinch system add a layer of safety and convenience. The interior design mirrors the speed and flow of sailboat racing, creating a dynamic and cohesive atmosphere that feels alive. 15.6-inch rotating touchscreens stay connected and in control with a versatile screen that adapts to your needs. Perfect for navigation or entertainment. Premium materials. Quilted Napa leather seats and soft vegan leather coverings elevate the tactile experience, making every drive luxurious. Ample cargo space. The SEALION 7 boasts 58 liters of front storage and up to 1,789 liters in the rear with the seats folded. From family vacations to weekend getaways, this SUV is built for adventure. Powerful electric motor. The AWD version reaches an astounding 23,000 RPM, propelling the SUV from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.5 seconds with a top speed of 215 km per hour. Rapid charging. The SEALION 7 supports 230 kilowatts DC fast charging, taking the battery from 10% to 80% in a mere 24 minutes. Blade battery technology. BYD's industry-leading blade battery ensures exceptional safety and performance, passing extreme tests with flying colors. The 2026 BYD SEALION 7 is set to hit the market in mid-2026, with an anticipated starting price that aligns with its premium features. While pricing details are yet to be confirmed, BYD aims to make this innovative SUV accessible to eco-conscious drivers worldwide. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.